Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our weekly Renko forecast. Today I have chosen some pairs so we can keep a closer eye on coming week. Of course, with our daily live trading room we will check every single pair every day, but that doesn't mean we cannot have a forecast. Now I will start with USD CAD, where we want to go long. We have already some pending orders activated. And why do we want to go long? Because we already have the reaction, we have a higher low, we are already, as I said, have our positions running, and actually I'm going for this area all the way up there. Why? Because with an APO of 50-60 pips I can go for 2000. You see here I have price not being able to go lower, creating higher lows. 36 EMA has already broken. I have, let me delete this here, an M24 trend line, and all I need is a setup above this area. And as you already see, we are on the way for these 2000 pips, going long of course. Now next one is Aussie. A very clean combination. Bounce with a higher low, double bottoms, trend line break, crossover, big 1 2 3, spiky retracement till 36 EMA, which is okay with me. And the bigger picture says I have a trend line covering a distance 5000 pips, and I am about to get early on a trend change that could cover back this whole movement. So actually I am looking for an opportunity to go long, going for 500 pips to create my win-win scenario, but my last position is going for 5000 pips. Someone could easily say, okay, this guy is nuts. No, because consider it a number. Everything is part of a psychology. You are going for 450. Okay, what's the difference of 500? What's the difference of 5000? As I said, it's just a number. Sleep on that. So Aussie going long. Of course, it wouldn't be wise to leave oil out of it. So higher settings, what I see here is a retracement. We already know oil is going for the sky. Plenty of room. I don't have any history here on this broker. Of course, I'm continuing for this movement, and all I need is a setup above this area. Is it going to happen? Probably, because oil is going long anyway, but we are not going long because everybody does, or because price is going that way. We always, of course, like following the main trend, but what we like is having all our systems filters met, and then we take the trade. So as soon as I get the retracement, I will see if it's good enough to go long. On New Zealand dollar, US dollar, I have another nice combination. I have my bounce, my higher low, my trend line break, my crossover, big 1 2 3. I have already set my pending orders. I am going long. No reason to lose any more time over it when you check the charts, when you do your top-down approach. The only thing you need to do is being really focused. And again, this is the area I'm going. Not many people look at the bigger picture. I'm risking 60-70 pips for 1,600. That would be perfect. Again, remember to apply the filters and then you take the trade for New Zealand dollar, US dollar going long. Again, on our daily live trading room, we check every single pair and we adjust our strategies and directions accordingly. Now, if we go to Euro USD, we know that we are going to have a late entry if we go short, because we are talking about a trend continuation for some time now. The good thing is that price has the room to go even lower. And again, what I'm looking for is an opportunity to go short for 340, 790 or even more. Aim when you go short, aim for the abyss. When you go high, long, aim for the sky. So on the coming week, we will see if price will give us a really nice 2 to 3 line break. On AUDCAD, you already see my combination. Price has the room to retrace a little bit better, which is always desirable or preferable. And again, with our top-down approach, we have identified next potential target being 690 pips. Again, this is an M12 settings, so more or less APO is like 50-60 pips. So again, we are going for 10 times our risk. AUDCAD looking good. Definitely I would like I said, a couple of more candles of retracement just to be sure. CHF yen. Now, in this case, I would like a couple of more candles short. Why? Because I have my major support area, major resistance area already broken. Price is going long. Again, you can see here we are talking about a lot of room to cover. And again, once more, if you go to higher settings, you will see that we are talking about a movement on almost 1000 pips, 100 and 400. And from here, you can see price still respects and moves long. And on lower settings, of course, you don't need these lines. Try to keep your charts clean. Again, the only thing missing is an opportunity to go long. Patience is a virtue. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday afternoon, as always, with our top-down approach in our second group. Perfect. Thank you very much. Bye bye everybody. Stay safe.